Guess who's back? Hey, check this out. Check this out. I'm going to show you guys right now, how to create your own logo. Okay, straight up. And not only am I going to teach you how to create your own logo easily and for free, but I'm going to teach you how to look for the best print ideals for clothing. The top of the line, number one print ideals that sell like hotcakes. So say you have a t-shirt company and you want to create your own little designs for it. I'm going to show you how to find them, the best ones, and what site you use to create them. Let's go. All right, so here we are. Ideogram, IDOGRAM. Link in description. This is not a program you have to download. This is on the web. So yeah, Mac, Windows, whatever. So what I did, as you can see right here, I have Not Today Satan. These are wicked, okay? But before we get into that, I'm going to show you how I got those images. What I did was I went to ChatGPT. Okay, as you can see, I've created a lot. So let me go to where I started it. Because after you get the one prompt in ChatGPT, all you have to do is tell them, I want 10 more, I want 20 more, I want 100 more. So this is what I typed in right here. Copy this prompt, type this in, search the web for the top selling print that is trending. So then it gave me all of these. See that? Analyze and curate all and tell me the best one to go to with and tell me the quote or wording. So here it is, pros and cons. That's not what I use, guys. So just understand that's how you'd start it. So I said create AI image prompts for all of them. After it gave me it, I just said that, right? Here we go. And it did all of them. As you can see, I said to create 10 more tops trending t-shirt quotes. Gave me more. Look at these, amazing. Radiate positivity. That's perfect. That's what we want to do always. Support your local planet. Where did I see that? Bomb, bomb, bomb. Okay, so we have all of these. I used all of them. I have. So, but let's just see what's going on, right? So I went to the bottom. I came today and I said, yo, I want 10 more because these are so good. So I said, can you create, okay, not 10 more. Can you create 9 more? So it goes, here are 9 additional unique and trending t-shirt and mug print ideas for you. Oh my gosh. Mugs are selling like hotcakes, folks. If you guys want to make money, look, I'm going to give you another little gem right now. You don't actually have to press anything. Seriously, you don't. There's websites like Shopify, which I'll do a review on, that you can basically create mug ideals and t-shirt ideals and sell those ideals, and Shopify, okay, will print them for you and send them off to your clients for you. So basically, all you have to do is get the ideals, which we're doing, and post it on Shopify and sell the art straight up. All right, so as you can see, we got this. So I did that one already. Let's try another one. This one is Hustle in Silence. I love that. But you know what? I'm actually teaching you guys how I do it. So I'm not being that silent right now. Sorry, I'm going to help you guys out. So as you can see right now, we have these. We're on the website, Ideogram, link in the description. You just come in here. I'm going to take this away. Backspace, right click, paste. What we just got from ChatGPT, we're pasting. So as you can see, now we're going to go to generate. It looks like the site is kind of busy right now. We have another one to go to. Just because that's not popping doesn't mean we're done. Doesn't mean we're done, folks. We're still working. Right now, I'm just going to another AI website. Leonardo.ai. I reviewed this in a different video, but here you go. You guys are going to get to see it again. And these are the ones that came up with for me before. We got some new ones, so let's go. And this is a credit-based system, so you have 150 credits, which can generate a lot of images. So we're gonna paste this, generate, and it's very fast. This website, I think, is one of the fastest when it comes to generating images. And I think because not that many people know about it, but you guys know about it now, so make use of it. Generate as much images to your heart's content. You're not doing any wrong to anybody. You might be wasting your time, but that all depends on what you're doing this for. Even if it's just a hobby, you just like artwork, that you're pretty much your own ideals. It works. So look at this. We got some amazing one. Hustle in Silence. I like these. And this could be put on a mug, hat, anything. It looks great. Now, I'm going to try to go back to Ideogram. As you can see, it's doing this to me. I'm going to log out, see if I can come back in with a different account, see what happens. Okay, yeah. So as you can see, I'm out. They're not giving me any more, credits right now. It's quite full. So basically, anybody who's paying, if you want to pay for this program, which as you can see, this program is completely worth it. I'm not joking. I'm using it for free right now because I have multiple different programs and I have so many of these, and I'm literally just doing this to teach you guys. But yeah, it is packed with stuff. So I'm just gonna download these three dots. You go to download, there you go. That's it. Now Leonardo AI has been ready. I just been over here fooling around, as you can see. Let's try another one. Let's try one more, number 3. And basically when I'm doing these, like when I have my 9 set up and I'm starting to generate my images, I jump back and forth with these. I don't play around. I jump back and forth. While one's generating, I'm on to the next, because you know why, folks? Because time is money. All right, so there you go, generate. And I want you guys to know straight up, I'm a graphic designer. I've been graphic designing way before AI came out. I've been graphic designing since 2015. All right, and using Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, doing so many different things with it. I can pretty much make these images without AI, but AI speeds up the process significantly to where your workflow and productivity goes through the roof. All right, you're gonna want to work. This is something that makes you want to put your ideas together. So look at this. I love these. So yeah, as you can see, that's it, folks. I'm not gonna continue this video for too much longer. Link in description to Leonardo AI. Link in description for Ideogram. Which, yeah, Ideogram is great. Oh, they're allowing me to generate. Let's go. I guess they just wanted me to wait. So now, as you can see, the wait is long. You know why? There's so many people on this website. But anyways, you guys have a good day designing, exploring, animating. And, you know, if this helped you, hit the like. If you want to see more videos like this and keep learning with me, because I'm learning as I'm going too. Every time I learn something, I run quick to do a tutorial and help you guys out. So, you know, put on the notification bell. If you're subscribed, make sure that notification bell is on. If you're not subscribed yet, why not? Anyways, have a good day, guys. Peace. Can it be on days, may stage and phrase, no traps, but I know days in the maze.